In this tutorial, we'll take a look at the library. The library is a collection of over 1,500 images that are available offline and for free in the app. These can be used, for example, when creating new flashcards in the editor. The fastest way to access the library is from the home screen by tapping the icon in the top right corner. There, as in every screen, we see the question mark in the top right. When we tap on it, the Help menu opens. There, I can read the text to better understand the screen. I highly recommend reading this text once at the beginning. The library is divided into 3 sections: Folders, All Images, and Favorites. In the folders, I can search for images directly by topics. Under All Images, I see all images unfiltered. Since I can mark every image as a favorite, I will find these marked images under the Favorites section. If we now go into the All Images section and tap the icon at the top left next to the question mark, the keywords of the respective images will be displayed. To the right of the search bar, the selected language is shown. By default, this corresponds to the app language. However, I can also change it specifically for the library. A special feature is that when I change the language of the image keywords also changes. So if I set the language to French, for example, all image keywords will be displayed in French. Using the search bar, I can easily search for images. The keywords of the currently selected language are always used. So if I have English selected and search for car, all images that contain car will be shown. If I change the language to German, I need to search for auto to see the same image. When I tap on an image, I can view it in full screen. On each image, I see a gray star in the top right corner. When I tap on it, the image is added to my favorites. This is useful if I want to mark images that I would like to use later for creating flashcards, so I can easily add them all at once in the editor. That's it for the library. For more details on how to use these pictures in your flashcards, check out the video tutorial about the editor or about creating new flashcards. Have fun exploring and learning a language with GPA Flashcards.